Hey everyone, the topic of today's video is LinkedIn, and the goal of today's video is to hopefully show you all how to effectively use the skills and endorsement section on your LinkedIn profile. And the objectives of today's video are to first add your skills, second, pin your 3 most relevant skills to your profile, third, encourage your LinkedIn connections to endorse the 3 skills that you have just pinned by endorsing their skills that they have pinned on their profile. And lastly, to take the skills quiz to validate some of the hard skills that you have. So to begin, this is my LinkedIn profile, and scroll on down to the skills and endorsement section. So to start, we are going to add skills, and LinkedIn recommends that you add 6 skills to start, but you can add up to 50 skills on your profile. To add a skill, you are going to click in this bar and type the skill. I am going to say team leadership. And click right there, team leadership, see it is ready to be added, and then you just add the skill. And if you click show more, you can see that it is now on my profile. Next, we are going to pin our 3 most relevant skills, which are the ones that show up on your profile without having to click show more. So to pick your 3 pinned skills, you are going to want to click this edit button. And you can see that these 3 skills are the ones that I have pinned because they have the little pin icon right next to them. But if I were to unpin one and I wanted to pin team building, you just click the little pin button and there you go. My top skills are now chosen, and then you just click save. And you're going to want to pick 3 skills that are the most relevant to your career or the type of job that you are looking for. And next, you're going to want to endorse skills and encourage your LinkedIn connections to endorse the skills that you have now pinned. See that Sarah has given me an endorsement for 2 skills, and that just really validates that I do actually have those skills. So endorsements are really important. I would show you how to endorse a skill, but I don't want to show anyone's profile without permission. But to endorse someone's skill, there's going to be a plus sign next to each of these pinned skills, and you just click the plus sign, and that will endorse that particular skill. And those are really important. And lastly, you want to take the skills quiz located right here, click that button, and here you can take multiple choice quizzes to basically prove that you are certified or proficient in a lot of hard skills like Adobe or Excel or JavaScript. This is where you will prove it. And if you get a 70% on these quizzes, you will pass and get a badge that will show up in your skills and endorsement section under tools and technologies. And that is just another way to prove that you do in fact have the skills that you say you have. And that is it for my demonstration. I hope that today's video has shown you how to effectively use the skills and endorsement section on your LinkedIn profile. Just to go over what we learned how to add skills to your profile, then to pin your 3 most important skills to show up on your profile, and next to encourage your LinkedIn connections to endorse the 3 skills that you have just pinned by endorsing some of theirs, and lastly to take the skills quiz to validate some of the hard skills that you may have. And yeah, I hope today's video was helpful, and I hope that this brings you one step closer to the most effective LinkedIn profile. Thanks. Have a good day, y'all.